Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Aina Saffiya binti Abu Sama. Today, I will present to you about nutrients classifications. First of all, you need to know that nutrients divide into two, which is macronutrients and micronutrients. For the macronutrients, you need it eat in large amount, and for the micronutrients, you need it eat in small amounts. First, I will explain to you about the macronutrients. Macronutrients are the superheroes of nutrition, and they are three superstars that help us to be healthy and function well. First, carbohydrates, second, proteins, and third, fats. For the carbohydrate, it is your main energy source. Carbohydrates were found in food like whole grains and fruits. They are your instant energy booster. It's very important to know the type of carbohydrate you choose to eat because they are very healthier than others. For example, healthy whole grains such as whole wheat bread, rye, barley, and quinoa are better choices than a highly refined white bread or French fries. Then I will continue to explain about the proteins. Proteins is the builders and repair crew. If you didn't know, proteins like those in chicken, eggs, and beans act as the builders and repair crew to ensure your muscle and tissue stay strong. Proteins are made up of chemical building blocks called amino acids. Your body uses amino acids to build and repair muscles and bones to make hormones and enzymes. They can also be used as an energy source. Lastly, I will explain to you about the fats. It provides energy and supports the functions. Nowadays, most of all people believe that fats can make us obesity and not healthy. Not all fats are created equal, with some contributing to health problems like heart disease and diabetes. Luckily, not all fats are bad. Healthy fats found in avocados and nuts act as your body's energy reservoir, providing backup energy and supporting vital functions, such as helping your body absorb vitamins from foods. Second, I will explain to you about the tiny heroes micronutrients. Micronutrients are the vitamins and minerals that play a unique role in our well-being. Vitamins like vitamin C in oranges and vitamin A in carrots are your body super helpers that keeping your immune system strong and eyesight sharp. Second, I will explain about the minerals. It is trusted in body convenience. Minerals are inorganic elements present in soil and water, which are absorbed by plants or consumed by animals. Minerals such as calcium in dairy and iron in spinach help ensure strong bones and a healthy blood supply. Before I end my video, a little advice for you to always read your decoding food labels. It can be a bit confusing trying to decode food labels. It's a worthwhile task in terms of our well-being, as this label spill the beans on what nutrients are packed into your favorite snacks and meals. In a nutshell, you are now equipped to be a nutrition hero. Fill your incredible body with the right nutrients, decode those labels, and embark on the journey to a healthier and more empowered you. That's all from me. Thank you.
Let's go over the basics of nutrition. There are two types of nutrients, macronutrients and micronutrients. Think macro for big. These are needed in large amounts and are required for energy. So this is your carbs, proteins, and fats. Micronutrients are needed in smaller amounts, micro, small, and are required for functioning. This includes your vitamins and your minerals, and in minerals is included electrolytes. Carbs are the main source of energy for the body. Protein helps assist with growth, maintenance, and repair, and fats help with energy storage, insulation, and protection, and absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Micronutrients are broken down into vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are organic molecules that aid in cell function, growth, and development, and are broken down into water-soluble vitamins and fat-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins are just vitamins that dissolve in water. These are carried in the tissues, not stored long-term, excreted in the urine, and require daily intake through diet or supplementation. And this includes all B vitamins and vitamin C. Fat-soluble vitamins are vitamins that dissolve in fat. So these are stored in the fatty tissue and liver for longer periods of time, require intake of fats to be absorbed, and have a higher risk of toxicity. And a good way to remember this is think a fat deck of cards. So this includes A, D, E, and K. Minerals are inorganic molecules that aid in hormone and enzyme production and other functioning. And these can be broken down into macro minerals, also known as electrolytes, and trace minerals. So your electrolytes, think these are macro minerals, so are needed in larger amounts, play a key role in cardiac, neuro, bone, and muscle functioning. Key ones that you definitely need to know for nursing school: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and also includes chloride and sulfur. And trace minerals are needed in smaller amounts, think trace, small. And these act as catalysts to enzymes and generate metabolic functioning. And this includes minerals like iron, zinc, selenium, copper, iodine, and many more. Follow and like for more content like this.